Spocket Dropshipping Review, the truth about Spocket. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what Spocket Dropshipping is like, whether or not it is worth it, and whether or not you should be establishing your dropshipping business using Spocket. So let's get into it. Now, everyone knows what dropshipping is by now. It's a simple process where you are going to create your own e-commerce storefront, and then you are going to source your products from a different place. You're not going to warehouse them. You're just going to take orders on your website, and then you're just going to give your orders directly to your supplier, and then the supplier will ship the products directly to the customer. So you don't have to bear any warehousing costs. You don't have to actually store any inventory. You're not going to be facing any losses in this kind of business model. So you can see that Spocket is an amazing platform, and everyone talks about how amazing Spocket is, but there are certain things you need to keep in mind whenever you are going to establish a dropshipping business, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what those things are. Now, Spocket is available to integrate with these specific platforms, so you can connect them to your BigCommerce, Shopify, Flex, Wix, Ecwid, Squarespace, WooCommerce, Square, Alibaba, AliExpress, or KMO Shops accounts. Now, that basically means you have 6, 7, and 8 options to create your e-commerce store. If you have created your e-commerce store with any other platform, you will not be able to integrate Spocket into it. So I'm just going to give you guys that disclaimer before we move ahead. Now, to get started, we're just going to click on Dropship over here, and you can just take a look at trending, and then you can browse the different products available. Now, to do that, we're just going to log into our Spocket account. I already have the account linked to my Gmail address. You can just create your account using your Gmail account or just sign up via email, and it's going to be a very simple setup process. Now, after you do that, you can see on your left you will have your navigation panel, and then over here you have your basic product hunting section. Now, with any kind of dropshipping business, we know the most important part of any dropshipping business is to find good products at low prices, and that is what a lot of people are concerned about, because they're like, hey, we've gone on to different platforms, we always find that, oh, this product is also available on this platform, that platform, where can I actually get it for the cheapest price? Now, I'm going to give you guys certain factors you need to keep into mind. If a product is being shipped from the United States or Canada, it is most definitely not going to be at the lowest price possible, because if I take a look at this phone case, I am pretty sure I could find this phone case on another platform for under $1 or $2, because it is a product that is being sourced already from China, and the reason that you're paying $3.75 and $4 in shipping is because it is a product that has been already sourced from another platform. And I don't recommend certain products for you and for you to start your dropshipping business on. Why? A lot of people already know about platforms like AliExpress or Alibaba, and we're going to do a quick comparison just to show you guys what I basically mean. I'm just going to search for iPhone phone case, and now you can see over here similar phone with stand, and now you can see these phone cases with stand are available for $3, $2 as well, and you can see there are a lot more options, design options available as well, that you can find at lower prices. Although some of these are around the same price, but you're getting a $0.83 on shipping cost if I search for a phone case with stand instead of iPhone. Now you can see these are the different options. Most of these are around $2 to $3, and if I take a look at Spocket and the item that I saw over here, this is going to be $3.75 plus $4 in shipping, while on AliExpress you would be paying around $0.1 or around under $1 for shipping. Now, you need to keep into mind if it is worth it or not. If I import or add a product from AliExpress like this one, I will be getting 15 days on delivery time. But if I import it from Spocket, I'm going to be getting 1 to 3 days in delivery time in the United States. So if my business is established in the United States, I would definitely try, and I would use this product because it is a decent price. It is not overpriced if I compare it to AliExpress, and the shipping time is 1 to 3 days, and the shipping price is $4, but I'm pretty sure people would find this to be worth it. But if my customer base is not focused on the United States, if it is in anywhere else, and if it's in Canada or the United Kingdom, then I would not recommend this product, because the shipping price just becomes so much that it it would not be worth it to purchase this product or add this product to my store. Now, if I scroll down and take a example of another product. So let's scroll down and let's take a look at this children's dress over here. Now, with S Pocket, with any product, basically, you have to browse and see whether or not you can find it at a lower price on a simple platform like AliExpress, because this will give you a easy reference or whether or not this product is being overpriced or it is going to be a worth it sell. Now, this is a floral party shift dress. So I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna search for girls dresses. So I'm just searching for girls flower dress, and you can see there are quite a few different options. And I'm just gonna search for teens. Now you can see there are different options like this one over here. And if I take a look at the dress, now this listing price is $33 with 3 to 5 days in shipping times in the United States. But if I look for similar dresses, they are available for under $10. Now, this is like a product that I would give you guys a huge cross on. I would not recommend. You definitely are being overpriced for this product. Now, you might be wondering, okay, so I'm saying on one hand, I'm saying that you can find good product on S Pocket. On the other, I'm showing you guys that you're being overpriced for a product. Now, what I recommend is that if you're starting off with dropshipping, you don't understand how to set up your own store, you want to keep it simple and easy, you cannot communicate properly with AliExpress sellers, you're not used to that, then I would recommend that you use this platform of S Pocket, find good products, just make sure you cross-check them with AliExpress, and then you start your own e-commerce store. After that, I recommend sourcing directly from AliExpress because you will be able to get a lower price. And then if you still want to, you can keep on using S Pocket if you do direct comparisons of prices, and you're going to only be paying a premium for the shipping times, and then that is going to be like worth it in most situations. So that is it for today. I hope you guys better understand what I mean on it is a good platform to use, but eventually, if you want to expand your profits, you will have to source directly from the people that these people are sourcing from. So that is a better way to put it. I would recommend that if you are starting out, you use S Pocket and later on shift to direct means, or later on shift to direct communication with suppliers from AliExpress or Alibaba or any other retailer that you find. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.